Good morning students. Today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter 1, the green plants. Key vocabulary. New words which are given in this chapter. These are chlorophyll, leaf blade, main vein, tiny openings, stomata, transport, substances, food factory, carbon dioxide, light, water, oxygen, iodine, starch, food chain, interdependence, photosynthesis and glucose. So children, this is your today's homework. You have to write all these new words in your notebook. After writing chapter name, chapter number, today's date and heading, new words or key vocabulary. Our first most important topic is leaf. What is leaf? Children, we often have seen most of the plants and trees in our surrounding and they appear green in color. The color of the leaves and plants is green. Why their color is green? Because of the presence of a green pigment that we call chlorophyll. So children, a green pigment or a substance is present in leaf of the plants. That's why the color of the plants and leaves is green. And this chlorophyll, it absorbs the sun rays. It absorbs the sunlight, heat and energy so that it can prepare food. Now let us discuss about different parts of the leaf. First part we have a lamina. Second part is midrib. Third is side vein. And number 4, petiole. These are the different parts of the leaves. Now children, you can see here structure of a leaf. How the leaf it appears. You can see here structure of the leaf. So children, a leaf has a flat part. The flat part of the leaf, this part, whole part is called leaf blade. And a leaf blade, it can be narrow or broad. Narrow means some leaves we have seen, these are very thin like that. As we know, different types of the leaves, they have a different shapes. They are different size and color. And also in this leaf, we have given different parts. The leaf blade is the whole part of the leaf that we call leaf blade. And most of the leaves, the upper part of the leaf is very different in color as compared to the lower part of the leaf. In some leaves, the upper side is very dark in color, whereas the lower side of the leaf is very light and rough. There is roughness in the lower side of the leaf. So children, question is, what is leaf apex? Leaf apex is the tip of the leaf. This part is called leaf apex. That is the tip of the leaf. And as you can see here, the center of the leaf, here runs a main vein. That main vein is called midrib. And also a lot of veins which are emerging from the mid vein. These veins are called side veins. And side veins, they helps in transportation of the food, water and minerals to the different parts of the plant. And also leaf blade is called lamina. So whole part is called leaf blade. In center there is a main vein, and in main vein we have a lot of emerging side veins. And the tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. And side veins, they help in the transportation of the food, water and minerals to the different parts of the plant. This part of the leaf is called petiole or stalk. The stalk of the leaf. it attaches the leaf blade to the rest of the part of the trees, that is stem. And this part, it helps in the supply of the water and food to the stem. So children, this part is called petiole or the stalk of the leaf. It helps in the supply of the water and food, and it is attaches to the leaf blade and to the stem. So children, we have discussed leaf blade or lamina, that is the flat green part of the leaf, and it contains chlorophyll which helps the leaf to absorb the maximum sunlight to prepare their food. And main vein is that vein which lies in the middle or center of the leaf, and it is very thick. And side veins, these veins, they arises from the main vein. So these veins, they help in the transportation of the water, minerals, and prepare food within the leaves. Next we have a petiole or leaf stalk. It also place where a leaf is attached to the stem. Next important topic is what is stomata. What are stomata? So children, stomata are the small pores present in the underside of the leaf. These are very small, tiny openings which is found inside of the leaves, underside of the leaf, that is lower side of the leaf.